Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Philakone here, just chilling in the office every single day. Lady's always gonna be working with me. We're gonna be hustling no matter what. You know why? Because it's bull market season. And right now you've only got one opportunity, only one season to maximize your profits because this doesn't come often, man. You've only got one chance. That's it. Put in 1 year of hard work and it could absolutely change your life. So I expect each and every single one of you to put in that dedication, to put in that time, to put in that commitment, that focus that you know I'm going to put in as well. So you guys are about to watch me live trade. It was a very quick trade, 10 minutes with a $400,000 position for a $5,000 profit. And as you guys all know, I trade with large volume or large capital and I scalp for small percentages. That is my strategy that I've been using for 9 years. That's heavily refined, heavily fine-tuned and optimized for my specific personality and the way that I trade that works for me. And I hope that by watching these videos, it's going to help you learn and get into the mindset of a professional trader that has been doing this successfully for over 9 years now. And so you guys know, there's 2 slots left for the month of November to join my elite tier trading group, where you see me call all of these positions of mine before I enter, which gives you a chance to also see some of the trades that I take and hopefully catch them as well. Not only that, you're gonna get access to the elite tier private trading group of mine and my full Discord that has a library of thousands of different videos out there. 3 months in my elite tier Discord group and you're gonna learn things you never knew that you knew. You're also gonna get access to my Philakone course version 3.0, Mastering the Day Trading Markets. It's a 20-hour full course on everything that I know, and hopefully you can optimize and also adapt some of these strategies to your own as well. You're also gonna get access to the advanced volatility scanner of mine as well. That's designed to help you gauge the market and find the most volatile coins to trade for that day. On top of that, guys, I'm looking to take on one more client for the month of November where I would be advising on your portfolio with a minimum size of $250,000 and up. So if you're somebody that wants me to help you take care of your portfolio where we can grow at 5x to even 10x and have the guidance from someone with 9 years of experience, DM me, guys. So enjoy this live trade. I hope that you learn a lot from it. See you there.
Na 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 na. Drop it, drop it, drop it like it's hot. Do you guys see this right here? Do you guys see this trend line? Right here. This white trend line combined with the green kernel. If that drops, I'm gonna enter a short. Do you guys also see how this has made like one massive wave up here? Do you see it? 51% rally goes up there, right? You guys agree? So because of that, I think that the top is in. I think the top is in hard. It's only retraced, not even, like, how much has it retraced? It's only retraced like not even 236 levels, right? So because of that, I think that there's another drop that's imminent right now. Okay, following the logic, it's gonna break this, and then once it breaks, I will enter a bigger short. I'm already in actually right now. I'm in for 250k. Got another 100k. I'm in like a 300. Actually, all of my positions combined, I'm in about $500,000 right now. They're all up. Every single position's up. You know why? Because I just gamble. I don't know anything about crypto. No, I'm just kidding though. But if you look very closely, like, you'll see it's creating lower highs. So because it's creating lower highs, right, there's still a chance for it to retrace further down. But guys, to be honest, if I lose this trade, even though I'm narrating it, I'm not even gonna upload it. I'm just kidding.
Really?
I'm gonna upload it no matter what.
Enough?
Okay, let's see how it goes, guys.
Enter.
So I'm like, you guys see the channel right here? See the channel is holding really nicely. So there's actually like a chance for it to drop down right now. If it drops below the channel and comes down, it's probably gonna hit the lower one. So there's like a small channel. This is the small channel, but it's actually within a big channel. And I've seen these types of formations many times. So if that small channel actually breaks down, it's gonna hit the lower channel down over there. And if that happens, then I'll win this trade.
So we'll see how it goes. So I think there's still a chance for it to drop down. My position's pretty bad right now. I'm down like 0.5%, 1%. But overall, I'm up like about 15k on my swing positions. So I think that the best thing to do right now is to look at this on a lower time frame. So the 3 minute, like, you know, you gotta evaluate it. This looks like it's a pattern to drop down, to be honest. So watch what I'm about to do. I'm gonna make a very executive decision on whether I should add to my short position now to get the best DCA price, or, ooh, do you guys see that? Ooh, look, babe.
Oh, wow.
You like that? So if it drops below this specific point, 157.9, that's where I'm gonna add to my position, 100k. So I have about 80k actually to add. So just drop a little bit more and I win this trade. Bitcoin's going up right now, but we can also check the market dominance right now. If the market dominance is really high, then you know that Bitcoin is likely to keep going while other coins are going to drop. Dominance doesn't help much right now, that's fine. If I win this trade, I'll probably make like 10k. But I really don't know if I'm going to win it. Like, it's kind of on the fence. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. But you know, like, it's really on the fence right now. This channel could really spike up. But I just don't believe that. I don't believe that it's, you know, it's gonna go up. That's if I had to choose a side. I think that this channel is gonna break down, actually. I'm down 2,000, 1,800, 900. Let's give it a time. Time will tell. Gotta be patient. We'll see. Okay, so I think that there's bearish momentum now going down. Babe, what do you think? What do you think? You think it's gonna go down? You think it's gonna break up or down? You think we should add to my position?
Yeah.
You actually think so?
No. I think you should stay in the position that you are.
Where should my stop loss be? Above the channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I'm trading on her account. She's the money bags. She's my sugar mama.
Are you actually recording?
Yeah, I am. See, the time's going right now.
Philakone, stop.
Oh, guys, what's up? So in the elite group right here, I told everybody this. I said, see the kernel with the trend line? If it breaks, I'll scalp it. So I told everybody that this trend line, if it broke, I would enter a short position. And look at what happened on a lower time frame over here. It ended up breaking extremely hard. This trend line right over here. So because of that, I entered a short position naturally. See the break? Right there. It broke down. So because of that, I entered a $400,000 short position. And the only reason I'm about to exit my position tonight is because it's about 10:45 in the evening and I actually want to go to sleep and watch a movie with my lady. So right now I'm in a $400,000 position on top of my other $300,000 position over 15 different coins. So you can see here, I'm in 16 coins right now where I'm long, except for this one, I'm short. So $400,000 position for this one, and then 300,000 to total about 700K. I'm gonna take my profit right now, close with the market execute, but slowly over time. Let's start with like 50K at a time to close it. 50K, close my short. Let's close at 100K at a time, and 100K. And finish off the rest with the close of 140K left. And boom, guys, just took in a $5,000 profit. So if you guys were in my Discord group, you would have easily caught this trade as well. There's 3 slots left to join my premium or my elite tier private trading Discord group. I'm always going to call the positions that I plan to take. For example, right here, I said, see the kernel with the trend line? If it breaks, I'll scalp. And bam, guys, a $5,000 profit. Let's go.